So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Purav Yagnik and I am 21 years old right now. Just had my birthday few days back. So, welcome to 20s. And I was just thinking ki if you are new to this channel, I am in my third year of engineering right now, and I'm doing computer science and artificial intelligence from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology. I like Royal Enfields. I like riding them. I have one bike, and basically the main agenda of this video was that I had never done a proper introduction for my channel, like per se what was my idea about this channel, or why did I start recording videos, and who am I, what has my past been like, or what is my story basically. So I thought of, and last few months I haven't posted any new video on my channel. I've shot a lot of videos. I yet have to edit them and I have to post them. But yeah, I've stopped posting for around 3-4 months. So I started posting on YouTube, but then I was not getting a proper niche or proper. I had just started it because I wanted to, which is a very nice thing, I think. You can always just experiment something and see whether it's working, it's not working. You can always have that option. But there comes a point where you have to actually decide that, do you want to continue this, do you want to stop this, or what do you feel about it after experiencing it. So YouTube के साथ मेरा वैसा ही हुआ. I started posting videos, and then मुझे पता नहीं, I did not get a proper wavelength, या फिर कैसे बोलूँ. I mean, I had ideas, but एक proper structure में नहीं थे वो, और एक specific niche के लिए भी नहीं थे. And उसके बाद what happened is I started procrastination, which is a very bad habit of mine. So that was one of the reasons why I stopped posting since last few months. But now I think I've got a pretty clear idea about what this channel has to be, which I always wanted it to be actually. I just got a little confused, or I did not have a clear path, but now it seems like I have the idea, or I have the path where I should be walking on. So to cut everything short, basically I am just a regular student. I am from a middle class background, just like most of the Indian families. And so I have been born and brought up in Pune, and I've done my schooling from two schools. One is the Rosary School, which got shut when I was around when I was in 6th or 7th standard. Then I shifted to Hutchings High School. Both of them have taught me a lot in my life. Both of them have given me great memories and great friends. And after that, in my 11th, 12th, I did JEE and CET. I cleared JEE mains. I got shortlisted, or I could give JEE advance, but then I didn't. I focused on CET because मेरे JEE mains के score इतने भी अच्छे नहीं थे कि मेरा IIT निकल जाए. So I did not. I gave CET, and then I took admission in VIT 2023 में. So 3 years in VIT now, and college has also been a lot surprising, a lot like I did not think that my college life would be like this. So it is exactly opposite of what I thought, but it has been a lot of other things, a lot of friends, a lot of connections, a lot of seniors, a lot of friends like family, new experiences, and पढ़ाई को छोड़ के बहुत कुछ है कॉलेज में honestly. I've never been a studious child, never been a topper, never been a backbencher also, proper backbencher. But yeah, I've always been an average kid in studying. And yep, this is me. I'm in my third year right now. There's still one more year to go. And I was in my extracurriculars from my school days. I was always interested. I was always been a sports person, and I've been to ZP, which is Zilla Parishad, and I've taken parts in sports, and I've won a lot of competitions, won medals in it. So I've always been a something more wala kid, not just school jao, society mein aake khelo bachcho ke saath. Not that there's anything bad with it, but there's always been that factor in my life कि कुछ ज़्यादा करना है. And I mean, it shows in my college life also कि मैंने 3 अलग अलग clubs में part लिया. There, tried to learn a lot of things there. Made a lot of connections, very very nice, excellent connections, and excellent relations rather than connections. So yeah, वो factor यहाँ पे भी आता है. And behind now, let's get back to behind the reasons of why I wanted to start this channel. So I think I was in my 11th standard के finals में when I had first seen the video of Iman Gadzhi. So for those of who don't know him, he is a British born child with a single mother, and his childhood was very tough, and he had quit his schooling when he was in his high school, and he had started his own business. Firstly, he started with selling Instagram pages, then he started his own marketing agency. And that man has been a millionaire at the age of 20, if I'm not wrong. So that his story inspired me a lot at such a young age. And the most beautiful thing about his journey was that he had recorded everything on YouTube. And I think he was one of the first persons, or one of the few persons, who happened to record their life for continuously 8 to 10 years, from his lows to his highs, to his experiences, to his courses, to everything. I mean, he has his life, all of it. He had that journey really inspired me, and I was like, I want to do something like this. I want to record stuff. I want to be successful and just look back at how my life was and what has changed and what not, and show it to my kids, show it to people who feel inspired by the journey. So that was the main idea behind this channel. He was the main motivation factor. So after posting few videos, I understand कि व्यूज़ के लिए वीडियोस कभी मत बनाना. अगर आप व्यूज़ को दिमाग में रख के वीडियो बना रहे हो, then you'll land on your face. So don't do that. Be passionate about posting videos. You should have an element of fun when you are doing that, which I had. But क्या बता, I think I got off the track, or I got a little mixed up and I couldn't maintain the discipline. Yeah, consistency is one more thing in this whole social media era. कि अगर आप post कर रहे हो, reel कर रहे हो, story कर रहे हो, video कर रहे हो, you have to be consistent about it. अगर आप consistent नहीं रहोगे तो आपको result वैसे भी नहीं दिखने वाला है. And yes, I have finally decided कि जो भी मुझे लाइफ में कुछ करना है, मैं सिर्फ बोल के मेरे घर वालों को या फ्रेंड्स को, nothing is going to ever happen. It will only happen if I take actions, raw actions, and that is what I'm supposed to do. That is what I will be doing, and that is what I am going to do. So welcome back to my channel, and stay tuned for the type of videos, for the variety of videos, and for the content which I'll be providing you guys with. I hope you guys have fun, you guys feel motivated, and and see you soon.